Hi, Pre-K. I'm Miss Jessica, and I am here with my helper today, Grace. And she's going to help us with our story, Say Hello by Rachel Isadora, and it is published by the Penguin Group. Are you ready, Grace? All right. Today we are going to identify the setting or the place where the characters are in the story on each of the pages. And we're going to do that by looking at the pictures and maybe making some guesses, using some inferences of why we think that's where they are when we make our guess. All right, say hello. So many pages. Okay. Carmelita gets up early in the morning. She helps her mama make their favorite breakfast, huevos con tocino. Today we visit Abuela Rosa, Mama says. After breakfast, Carmelita hurries and gets dressed and gets Manny. Remember, Manny's her dog. Here we go. They walk all the way down 9th Avenue. Buenos dias, Senor Enrico calls. Buenos dias! Woof. Let's stop here for a minute and let's look at the illustrations and figure out what setting. Where is Senor Enrico? Grace, where do you think he is? What do you notice around him?
I notice a shop.
He's in a shop. You're right. How did you know that was a shop?
Because, he was opening a door and there's all these in the windows.
Very good. So she used the illustrations to figure out Senor Enrico is in a shop. Maybe he's in a corner store. It's called a bodega in Spanish. Shalom, says Mrs. Rosen and her children. Shalom. Woof. They stop at the Japanese restaurant to say hello. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. There they are in the restaurant. If I didn't tell you that, how would you know this is a restaurant, Grace?
Because it had all the food.
All the food, yeah, so much food. Down the street, they meet Joseph and his parents, who have just come back from Kenya. Jambo! Jambo! Woof. They pass by a bakery. Carmelita stops to look in the window. Let's go in and get some cookies, her mama says. Bonjour, bonjour. Your dog speaks French too, the woman says, smiling. Woof, woof. So, this is a bakery. How would we know this is a bakery, Grace? What's in this picture?
Cupcakes and donuts and cakes.
All kinds of things you've maybe seen when you've gone to a bakery.
And cookies.
We like to go to the bakery, don't we? Assalam alaikum. Assalam alaikum. I haven't told you where they are in this picture. Where do you think, what kind of place are they in? What would be your guess from looking at the picture?
I think they're in front of a store.
What kind of store? What kind of things do you think they sell here? Here and over here.
It looks like turkey.
Yeah, it could be turkey. It's a butcher shop, a place where you go to buy meat. Here she is. Ciao! Ciao! Where do you think she is here? What does that man have?
If I couldn't read, I wouldn't get this, but they're at a pizza store.
That's right.
Because it says it up there.
Because you notice it says pizza right there.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, you can use words to notice things in the pictures. I noticed the pizzas that he has here.
Those were pizzas? I didn't recognize them because I've only saw the kind that you guys like.
Ah, got it. Here they are walking down the street some more. Ni hao, ni hao. Woof, woof. In the park, Carmelita meets her friends Max and Angel. Hey, Yo, what's up? Woof. You're one smart Snoop Dogg, Angel says. When they turn the corner, Abuela Rosa is waiting for them. Hola! Hola! Woof. Where do you think they are in this picture?
I think they're at her house.
At Carmelita's grandma's house? I think you're right. Manny seems to know what I'm saying, Abuela Rosa says with a wink. Manny knows how to say hello in many languages, Carmelita says, smiling. Jingle, jingle. It's the ice cream truck, Abuela Rosa says. Woof. That means Manny wants some too, Carmelita says, and gives Manny a big hug. And that is the end. So we looked at the pictures to figure out the setting or where they were in the story. So we have a big whiteboard here, and we're going to take a couple minutes and we're going to draw a neighborhood with some of the places in it that maybe we've seen. So Grace, can you remember what was one of the places that we saw in the book?
We saw the pizza place.
Oh, they went to the pizza place. Do you want to put a pizza place in our neighborhood?
Sure.
Okay. Why don't you stick that up?
Where?
Anywhere. Oh,
right there.
Sounds good. Maybe the pizza place is here on the corner. Okay. So we have the pizza place. Maybe there's a street that goes in between the pizza place. What else? What other places did we see in her neighborhood? In Carmelita's neighborhood?
We saw the...
Oh, Grace is using the book to get some ideas of what we saw. Did we see...
We saw this place.
We saw this place, you're right. That was like the corner store. I'm going to put it right here on the corner.
I thought this was the corner.
Yeah, it looks like there's two corners. Maybe this is the street that is in our neighborhood.
Yeah, maybe that's the street.
There was that one place where they stopped where they had all those cakes and cookies.
Oh, yeah, the
and
bakery.
Things. Oh, yeah, the bakery. Where should we put the bakery?
Let's put the bakery right here.
Okay, maybe it's on the same street as our corner store. Here, we'll make the bakery over here. There she is in the bakery. They went to a few more places. They went to that place where you thought they had turkey. Do you remember what that place was called?
They went to... Oh, and they also went to this place.
Oh, that's right. Can you hold that picture up so everybody can see what that place is?
Where is it?
Here, right here. I just have one person. They went to the Japanese restaurant. Maybe you've been to a Japanese restaurant before.
Let's put this right here.
Okay. So maybe the Japanese restaurant is right next to the pizzeria in our town. Maybe we have some more streets in our neighborhood. Okay, they went a couple more places. I'm going to put one up. They went to the butcher shop. Maybe they were getting some meat, and they saw these people at the butcher shop. Go ahead. These are all places that we noticed that Carmelita went today with her mom and maybe even her grandma. All right, here's the last one. What did they get with grandma?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Yeah, they went and they found the ice cream truck, I think. So by looking at the pictures and trying to figure out what the setting was, we figured out that they went to a lot of different places all around the neighborhood. Thanks for listening to our story today and helping us with our neighborhood. We will see you next time. Thanks. Gracie, you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye.